Hello. Have a mad HP look. Apparently there's no power. I haven't looked at it yet. This is a charger, but I noticed it was a replacement charger, so let's see if there's any voltage with it. See if it actually works, because apparently the fault is no power. See? Only got 19 volts. Hold on a minute. Yep, 19 volts. 9 volts on the pin. Okay. The charger is alright. Let's check the socket. Socket's good. Let's have a look inside her. There's already a screw missing, so somebody's been in it. Not put all the screws back. I should be able to replace that one. Remind me, yeah. Good. Called focus. Okay. Genie open. Don't like doing everything on the desk here. Can't see either way. Jamie's budgering. Oops. So this laptop is dead. Apparently the battery died. So it was working on the battery, and then the battery died. And the laptop never turned on again. So we are. There's always a clip on these. I hate it. There you go. Nice board. Dusty, but it's okay. Girlfriend has the same motherboard. My laptop. Or could it just be the input, which is under here? There. Let's plug it in. Nothing. We don't even get 19, look. Half an amp. Whoa, it's up and down. That's weird. That's on the charger. That is directly from the charge. Okay. What does the power supply say? Oh, blah. Come with 19. 3 amps will be fine. high. Yeah, okay. Wow. Pull down the amps here a minute. We've got 800 milliamps. That the voltage is dropping to 0.5. We all know what that means, don't we? And something's getting hot, but not that hot, because there is definitely a short on this board somewhere. How about we take the power socket out so you get the same problem? Yep. Ain't the power socket. Current droid. Max. It's going to 1 amp, but that's what I got set up as maximum. So this, because of the voltage, you've got to read what the power supply is saying to us. This is like a, well, watch. You've got, you put these together, like shorted these out, and it drops to 0.2. And then you put this on the plus input, and it drops to 0.4, which means somewhere on the 19-volt power rail, it's basically just grounded. It's great. The whole thing is grounded. The whole thing is short. Yeah. Right. Is it? What we want to know? Is it short after the? How odd! It seems to be short before it gets to the laptop. That's weird. Just be the it's could it? No, I've not had one of these cases before. Oh, really? Oh, it comes through here. Straight to this little guy. And he is, I don't call it, I like calling it a little guy. Diode. It's some kind of, that's shorted. Shorted. This is not shorted. This is not short. This is not short. This is not short. The laptop is not shorted. This, the problem with this, is this shorter to the gate? Is the gate short? No. Okay. Should we go out on a limb and say it probably is this? Hmm. Never, like I say, it's been a while since I come across a case like that before. Or never. I know about it. No, not the problem. It's just over current voltage protection. That's what stops it. It could be this MOSFET, which could be more problems. This could be cutting down the power. Could be. Yeah. Very close to the old this connector. Huh. Well, it's gone. I mean, we don't really need that component, right? This also does the same thing. I got a text. Bear with me. Should we test it? Can't believe. So it's protection, right? Which leaves your laptop completely broken. I mean, yeah, fair enough. The board's okay, but you're going to send it back to HP and your charger wasn't right. Right, turned it on. Got a power light. If we get a Hey, picture. Wow, crazy. Is that it? Well, that was a short video, but if you ever get a similar thing, completely shorted, but before the first MOSFET. But obviously the power jack is fine. You've got to check the power jack, check everything up to that point. In this case, they could just unplug the power jack, which was quite handy. Sometimes you don't have that luxury, right? But maybe high voltage came through because it wouldn't damage anything else, so we're pretty good. We're pretty good. Just come straight through there, right? Okay. Six mil. Maybe not. This one. Oh yeah, we had a missing one, didn't we? Goes there. If I can find an extra screw. That one good? Yeah, that'll do. Hmm. I mean, HP are a joke. This is exactly why HP are a joke. Well, we're going to charge the battery. We have a charge light. That's good. Let me just double check it again. Oh man. Oh boy. Turning on. That is turning on. The mad background. Have you seen this? Very weird. Okay. Shutting down. It was charge. We had a charge symbol. Oh, good. The fan sounds like it's swaying. It's not our problem. Okay. Sorted. I'm gonna stop this video out. Enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. And there we go. That was an easy one.